So in this question, we got x plus 1 over 2x minus 6 divided by 2x plus 1 squared over 2 minus x plus 11 over x minus 2. So since it's a division, we can't really divide it, which means we have to turn it into a multiplication. So we have to flip it 2x plus 1 squared and over 2 minus x to its reciprocal, which turns into 2 minus x over 2x plus 1 squared. So this is the next step. Next, we can check the equation if we can get anything that we can factor. And there's one right here, 2x minus 6, which we can turn into 2x minus 3. Then we can cancel parts of the equation, which is x plus 1 from the numerator of the first one right here. Since we cancel those, our new equation turns into 1 over 2 times x minus 3 times 2 minus x over 2x plus 1 plus 11 over x minus 2. Next, we can multiply these two, which will become 2 minus x over 4 times x plus 1 times x minus 3 plus 11x minus 2. Now, since we have to add these two fractions, we have to find the lowest common denominator. So what we could do is multiply the denominator together, which will get 4x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 2. And what you do to the bottom is what you do to the top. So the numerator becomes 2 minus x times x minus 2. For the second one becomes 11 times 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 1 over 4x plus 1 times x minus 3 x minus 2. Next, we multiply the numerator, 2 minus x and x minus 2. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, negative x times x is negative x squared, and negative x times negative 2 is positive 2x. And we put them all together, it should become negative x squared plus 4x minus 4 over 4 times x plus 1, x minus 3, and x plus 2, minus 2, sorry. For the next one, to make it easier, I multiplied the ones in the inside first. So x minus 3 times x plus 1, which you get x squared plus x minus 3x minus 3. Then I multiplied it with 4, which you get 4x squared minus x minus 12. And multiply it by 11, you should get 44x squared minus 88x minus 132. Now, since we have a common denominator for each fraction, we can add them all up, which two common ones. So negative x squared plus 44x squared becomes 43x squared, and plus 4x and minus 88x becomes negative 84x, and negative 4 and negative 132, you should get negative 136. So the final answer should be 43x squared minus 84x minus 136 over 4 times x plus 1, x minus 3 times x minus 2. Since the question asks for our restrictions, in this equation the restrictions are negative 1, 2, and 3. And I got these from the equation, which when we were looking for the common denominator for each one. So from here, negative 1, positive 3, positive 2.